Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install uTorrent on your PC or laptop. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install uTorrent on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, open Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your browser, go to the official uTorrent website by searching for uTorrent.com. And once you're on the website, I want you to click the Download uTorrent Classic to download the app. Here, you'll notice that uTorrent offers different plans, including paid versions with additional features. But if you only want the basic version, you can simply choose the free plan since it's enough for downloading torrent files. So just click the Get Started or Download Now button under the free plan. After that, the uTorrent installer will automatically begin downloading, so just wait for it to finish. And once the download is complete, go ahead and open the installer file. And then the uTorrent setup wizard will appear. From here, just follow the installation steps by clicking Next through the setup. You may also see optional offers or additional software during the installation. If you don't want to install those, simply decline or uncheck them and continue with the setup. And once it's completed, click Finish. uTorrent should now open automatically, but if it doesn't, you can launch it from your desktop shortcut or the Start menu. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.